A very warm good evening. May I request the honorable dignitaries to kindly proceed to the dais and take their seats as we prepare to begin today's program. A very warm good evening. Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, Shri P. Rajiv, Honorable Minister for Law, Industries and Coir, Government of Kerala, Judicial Officers, Members of the Bar, distinguished dignitaries on and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. With utmost respect, I extend a warm and dignified welcome to this august gathering on the occasion of the inauguration of paperless courts in the Kalpetta Judicial District, Wayanad. This solemn function marks a significant milestone in the continuing endeavor of the Indian judiciary to embrace technology in furtherance of access to justice, efficiency, and transparency in judicial administration. At the outset, may I have the honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Raja Vijay Raghavan, Judge, High Court of Kerala, to deliver the opening remarks.
Honorable Mr. Justice Surikant, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, Minister of Law, Sri P. Rajiv, esteemed dignitaries and guests present in person and those online, and dear friends. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all to this historic occasion, the introduction of the digital courts and district court management services for the Wayanad district judiciary. Kerala judiciary's journey towards a modern technology-enabled justice system did not begin overnight. Over the past several years, the High Court of Kerala has steadily strengthened its digital foundation. The Computerization Committee of the Kerala High Court initially focused on strengthening technology-enabled judicial services, which included the development and deployment of more than 50 digital modules across both the High Court and the district judiciary. These efforts have laid the groundwork for what we are witnessing today. Our vision reaches a significant milestone in Wayanad with the Kalpetta Judicial District becoming the first district in India where all courts function completely without paper, from filing to final orders. It's a paradigm change in the way courts work. From the very inception of the case, at the pretrial stage, recording of evidence, interlocutory proceedings, and final adjudication, every judicial process is conducted in digital mode. This ensures procedural continuity, eliminates duplication of work, and significantly reduces delays traditionally associated with the handling and movement of physical files. All pleadings, orders, and entire procedural history of a case are made available through a single, integrated, easy to use digital interface. A defining feature of the Kalpetta Digital Courts implementation is the integration of artificial intelligence based judicial assistant tools within the district court management systems. The system is capable of generating structured case summaries from the digital record, thereby enabling judges to swiftly comprehend the factual metrics and procedural background of the matters. Interactive question and answer functionalities further permit judicial officers to query the system on case-specific aspects. Judges are also empowered to record judicial notes, highlight relevant portions, and annotate documents directly on the electronic case file, thus preserving the traditional judicial workflow while enhancing it through digital means. Voice-to-text technology has been integrated to facilitate accurate transcription of witness depositions and judicial dictation. Judicial orders and judgments are authenticated using secure digital signatures, which confer full legal validity, integrity, and authenticity. The transformation was achieved through cooperation. The bar was consulted, the court staff were trained, and practical concerns were addressed. The success of this initiative belongs equally to the judges, lawyers, clerks, and technical teams who worked together with a shared purpose. E-Seva Kendras and help desks have been set up in every court complex to assist citizens who may not have access to digital facilities, ensuring that justice remains inclusive. The benefits of the system are already evident from the inputs that we have received from the stakeholders. Some issues have been highlighted, which we will redress in quick time. Wayanad today stands as a national model, showing that meaningful digital transformation is possible even at the district level, using systems developed entirely within the judiciary itself. The model adopted here is scalable and can be replicated across the country. On this momentous occasion, I express my gratitude to the Chief Justice Nitin Jamdar, Justice Muhammad Mushtaq, the Chairman of the Computerization Committee, the various stakeholders of the government, the judicial officers, the bar, the clerk community, the court staff, and the IT directorate, and programmers whose collective effort has made this achievement possible. With these words, I once again welcome you all and invite your guidance and blessings as we take this important step forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordship. As we now move on to the felicitations, I have the honor to first invite Advocate Piyush A. Kottam, President, Kerala High Court Advocates Association, to address the gathering.
Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice of Kerala, other distinguished guests on the dais and off the dais. It is a great privilege and honor for me to stand before this august gathering on this historic occasion representing Kerala High Court Advocates Association. I place on record the Kerala High Court Advocates Association's deep appreciation to all those who have contributed to the successful implementation of the landmark paperless court initiative in the Kalpetta Judicial District, Wayanad. Inspiring by this remarkable program, our association has also taken a decision to implement paperless office within 1 month from today. While the e-filing system has been introduced in the Kerala High Court, advocates continue to face several practical challenges in its day-to-day functioning. Though earnest efforts are being made to transform the High Court into a completely paperless institution, the said goal has not yet been fully achieved. Nevertheless, the initiative clearly demonstrates that when judicial vision is combined with the technological innovation, the justice delivery systems become faster, more transparent, and more inclusive. Kalpetta today stands as a symbol of progress, showing the nation that the future of justice has already begun here. What makes this moment truly exceptional is that the initiatives represent the first such venture in the history of the Indian judiciary, setting a national benchmark and offering a clear roadmap for court across the country. We wholeheartedly salute the Honorable Judges of Kerala High Court and the technical team, Bar Association Kalpetta, Clerks Association, and others for their tireless efforts in implementing the landmark project which make historic first in the Hindi judicial history. Where, with these words, I express our sincere gratitude and look forward to even greater strides together. Thank you all for hearing and giving the attention. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Owing to unforeseen circumstances, the chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, Advocate Ajit T.S., is unable to attend today's program. In his stead, the Honorary Secretary, Bar Council of Kerala, Advocate Rajkumar K.R. is present. I now cordially invite Advocate Rajkumar K.R. to deliver his felicitations.
Good evening to all. Respected Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and Chairperson of the E-Committee, Honorable Chief Justice of Kerala, Nitin Jamdas, Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Jayashankar Nambiar, Honorable Mr. Justice Anil K. Narendran, Honorable Mr. Justice Raja Vijayaraghavan, Honorable Mr. Justice Murali Purushothaman, Sri Ayub Khan, Principal District Judge, Kalpetta, Shaiju, President of Kalpetta Bar Association, E.K. Janardhanan, Secretary, Advocate Clerks Association, Learner Advocate General Sri K. Gopalakrishnan, Advocate P.U. Sekwatinam, President, Kerala Advocate Association, esteemed leaders of the bar, respected dignitaries of the dais. On behalf of the Bar Council of Kerala, I extend our heartfelt felicitation this historic occasion of inauguration of paperless courts in Kalpetta Judicial District, Wayanad. This initiative, graced by the presence of Honorable Chief Justice of India and the distinguished judges of Supreme Court as well as Honorable High Court of Kerala, reflects a visionary commitment to modernizing justice delivery while upholding the timeless values of fairness and accessibility. The Bar Council recognizes that this transformation will reduce delays, minimize costs, and enhance transparency, thereby strengthening the confidence of litigants and advocates alike. It is a reform that will particularly empower this generation of lawyers to adapt to digital tools and raise professional standards across our state. We acknowledge with deep respect the leadership of Honorable Chief Justice of India and the E-Committee of the Supreme Court, and we place on record our gratitude to the Honorable Judges of High Court of Kerala, especially those guiding the Kalpetta Judicial District for their dedication in making this vision a reality. The Bar Council of Kerala shall endeavor to assist our members of the bar in cultivating the necessary digital literacy and technological finesse demanded by this new era. Efforts will be directed towards nurturing in advocates a graceful acumen in computer usage and proficiency in digital practice, so that they may engage with paperless courts not as a challenge, but as an opportunity to enhance the nobility of the legal profession. In this way, the fraternity shall rise to meet the future with confidence, competence, and dignity. I once again felicitate the Honorable Chief Justice of India, the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, and the Honorable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, and all the dignitaries present. May this initiative serve as a beacon for judicial districts across the nation, inspiring us to build a justice delivery system that is modern, accessible, and truly people-centric. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. As we proceed further, may I invite Advocate K. Gopalakrishna Kurup, Advocate General of Kerala, to offer his felicitations.
Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Vikram Nath, Judge Supreme Court of India and Chairperson of E-Committee, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice, High Court of Kerala, Shri P. Rajiv, Minister for Law, Industries, Choir, Government of Kerala, all of the dignitaries on and off the dais, friends, ladies and gentlemen, the District Judiciary of Wayanad, the Plateau District, nestled in the heights of the Western Ghats with more than 4/5 of its geographical area under forest cover, is steadily becoming a paperless in its functioning. This truly represents the real Kerala story. It is indeed a momentous occasion in the continuing path-breaking IT initiatives of the High Court of Kerala, spearheaded by its dedicated in-house IT team, ably guided by a visionary Chief Justice and a group of tech-savvy judges, and supported unstintingly by the development-oriented state government through robust financial and infrastructural backing. The District Court Case Management System for the Kalpetta Judicial District, developed by the exceptionally proficient IT team of the High Court, envisages a fully digital judicial ecosystem. It contemplates electronic filing that totally dispense with physical filings, digital file scrutiny, digitally managed case calling and hearing, voice-to-text evidence recording, electronic file registers, AI-based judicial assistance tools, and digital authentication of orders and judgments. I am for sure that this integration of advanced AI-based judicial assistance tools within the case management system and complete digitalization of court process for filing to finalization of the lists will bring about a revolutionary transformation in the judicial administration of Wayanad by enhancing its operational efficiency and institutional transparency, apart from catalyzing increased access to justice for litigants and stakeholders. Thank you. Jai.
Thank you, sir. As we continue with the felicitations, may I invite Shri P. Rajiv, Honorable Minister for Law, Industries and Choir, Government of Kerala, who has joined through video conferencing to address the gathering with his felicitations.
Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice High Court of Kerala, and other honorable judges, Advocate General, and other dignitaries on and off the dais. It's a great moment and a historical milestone in the history of Indian judiciary. And also, it is a proud moment for the state of Kerala. Fully digitalization of judicial management system. I would like to congratulate Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Justice Mustak, and also Honorable Justice Raja Vijay Raghavan and other team members of IT committee for implementing this great initiative. And also, I would like to express our gratitude for selecting Wayanad, which is considered as a backward district of the state of Kerala, for implementing this new initiative. Implementing technology or digitalization of any process has always raised questions. Whether technology is accessible to common man, or it will reduce or increase the distance in between common man and judicial system. In my perspective, the responsibility to answer this question is not with the judiciary, but with the government. The government of Kerala has taken all steps to reduce the digital divide in the society itself. Kerala is the only one state in India which is the fully digitally literate state. And also we have declared access to internet is a basic right of the citizen. And to implementing this, we have established optical fiber cable system, KFON, to ensure high-speed connectivity to all needy people with free of cost, and also to all government offices. And we have established first digital university of India, and also taken several steps to emancipate the common man to this address these new issues of digital era. We are trying to go ahead of the country. Recently, in an article, London Economist, with regard to Kerala, it is concluded like this: a state that can become prosperous through the policies of universal improvement would truly stand apart from the rest of India and indeed much of the world. Once again, I would like to congratulate Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the High Court for successfully implementing this scheme, and also take a decision to utilize the capacity of the Digital University and other academic institutions of Kerala to be a part of this system. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now have the privilege to invite Honorable Dr. Justice A.K. Jayashankaran Nambiar, Judge, High Court of Kerala, to deliver the special address.
The Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, Honorable Justice Vikramnath, Judge, Supreme Court of India, the Honorable the Chief Justice of Kerala, Justice Nitin Jamdar, Shri P. Rajiv, Minister of Law, Industries and COI, Government of Kerala, other dignitaries present here today, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a proud moment for the Indian judiciary that one of the judicial districts in the state of Kerala is now poised to go completely paperless in the matter of judicial functioning. The technological innovation that is partly driven by artificially intelligent tools will ensure that all case files are now received electronically, scrutinized digitally, and made available instantly through the District Court Management System, or the DCMS as we call it, developed by the IT wing of the High Court of Kerala. Recent cutting-edge research in the field of computer science has clearly blown the cover of the hype that surrounds innovative artificial intelligence. One of the most significant limitations of an artificially intelligent tool has been demonstrated to be its inability to reproduce satisfactory results owing to a lack of reliable data that is used for machine learning. And this is something that has been worrying the industry of late. What is most gratifying to note is that the innovative AI tool that powers the paperless system in the Kalpetta Judicial District in Wayanad overcomes this limitation. And that's a significant achievement, because the world over you have limitations on AI tools. And here in this small district in Kerala, we seem to have overcome this global limitation through the use of reliable data that is already captured by the District Court Management System. From an institutional perspective, therefore, this initiative demonstrates the capability of systems developed in-house to deliver the expected results without relying on third-party proprietary platforms. And I think this unique feature of the IT system here is one that is worthy of emulation. I congratulate the IT team of the Kerala High Court for their innovation and commitment to the task of converting the Kerala judiciary into a futuristic one. I also congratulate all the stakeholders of the Kalpetta Judicial District for demonstrating their willingness to embrace this truly wonderful technological innovation. May our state continue to work towards building a future-ready justice delivery system. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Your Lordship. May I have the honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala, to deliver the presidential address.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, Honorable Justice Vikramnath, Judge Supreme Court of India and Chairperson E-Committee, my esteemed colleagues, Minister of Law, Government of Kerala, Advocate General for the State of Kerala, President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. It is indeed a matter of pride for the entire Kerala judiciary that a district in Kerala has become first paperless judicial district in the country. And we are honored that Honorable Chief Justice of India, the Patron-in-Chief, and the chairperson of the E-Committee have consented to inaugurate this unique digital initiative. Introducing technology in judicial process is not for a novelty value, but every technological change in judicial system must have potential to help the litigants. Keeping that objective in mind, the present initiative is introduced, providing both speed and convenience in judicial dispensation. This project is an important step towards more modern and people-friendly justice system. With the inauguration of Kalpetta Paperless Court project, all courts in Kalpetta district will function entirely without paper. As elaborated by Justice Vijayaraghavan, every stage of the case from filing to final decision will now be handled digitally. Cases can now be filed electronically without repeated visits to court office. Files no longer move from table to table or get delayed due to misplaced paper. Judges have immediate access to complete case record, which helps the matters to move forward without unnecessary adjournments. Paperless function will also bring forth greater transparency. All documents, application, and orders are securely stored in one place and are available to the court whenever required. Courtrooms can now function without bulky physical files. Hearings are conducted using digital record so that judges can focus more on the substance of the case rather than managing bulky paperwork. The judgments are issued promptly with digital authentication. They are immediately available for compliance and for appeal purposes. Another important advantage this digital initiative will bring forth for the litigants is of cost reduction. The need for multiple photocopies, repeated filing, physical storage is now eliminated. Less paperwork also means fewer clerical delays and quicker communication of court orders. This ensures better court record keeping, easier case tracking, and smoother court administration. This is how the Kalpetta paperless court show how technology, when used meaningfully, can make justice and courts more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. High Court of Kerala has undertaken several such initiatives with the same objective, that is improving litigants' experience to ensure timely justice. These technological interventions have shown tangible results, such as along with other initiatives and factors, they have resulted in noticeable increase in the number of cases disposed in the recent years. Kalpetta Paperless Court project has been developed through the in-house system of the tech team of the High Court of Kerala, made possible through the sustained efforts and contribution of the registry of the High Court, the district registry, the guardian and portfolio judges, and all my colleagues associated with the computer committee, guided by Justice Mushtaq, who was the chairperson of the computer committee, now Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. I am confident that soon all judicial districts in state will adopt the Kalpetta model for paperless functioning, so that all the litigants in Kerala can benefit from faster, simpler, more transparent court processes. I once again thank all the dignitaries for taking out time to attend the function. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordship. I now have the privilege to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India and Chairperson, E-Committee, Supreme Court of India, to deliver the keynote address.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Kerala, Justice Nitin Jamdar, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, Honorable Minister for Law, Industries and Coir, State of Kerala, Learned Advocate General, State of Kerala, President Kerala High Court Advocates Association, respected senior advocates, learned members of the bar, distinguished officers of the judiciary of the State of Kerala, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to one and all. Today, we are not merely inaugurating a technological initiative, but the culmination of a thoughtful and purpose-driven journey, one that reflects the judiciary's continuing commitment to strengthening justice delivery at its very foundation. Every reform in the justice system must ultimately answer a single question: does it bring justice closer to the citizen? The initiative we mark today is grounded in that very purpose. The Kalpetta Judicial District has achieved a distinction of national importance. It has become the first district judiciary in the country to function entirely without paper across every stage of judicial proceedings. This is not a pilot project, nor a partial reform, but a comprehensive district-wide transformation that reimagines the everyday functioning of courts. For me, this moment carries a special significance. As chairman of the E-Committee of the Supreme Court, entrusted with the responsibility of steering the integration of technology within the Indian judiciary, it is a matter of pride to be a part of the inaugural program of this landmark achievement of the Kalpetta Judicial District. There is also deep symbolism in this achievement. Wayanad, with its distinctive geography and ecological sensitivity, is often perceived as remote. Yet it is here that one of the most forward-looking judicial reforms in the country has taken shape. This underscores an important truth. Innovation is not exclusively confined to metropolitan centers. When thoughtfully deployed, technology bridges distance and brings justice closer to the people it serves. The transition to paperless courts also represents a conscious commitment to environmental responsibility. Traditionally, courts have been among the largest institutional consumer of paper, generating voluminous records and requiring physical storage of files spanning decades. Paperless courts reverses this cycle. By reducing paper consumption, limiting physical transportation of files, and curbing the need for long-term storage, they conserve natural resources and significantly reduce waste and energy use. With initiatives like this one, we can meaningfully lower the environmental footprint in our court administration. In an ecologically sensitive region such as Wayanad, this aspect assumes even greater significance. The move forward towards paperless functioning aligns judicial administration with the constitutional vision of environmental protection and sustainable development. It reflects an institutional awareness that the pursuit of justice cannot remain insulated from concerns of ecological balance, and that institutions entrusted with protecting rights must also act as responsible custodians of natural resources for generations to come. As we reflect on the idea of paperless courts, it is important to acknowledge the role paper has played in the history of the judiciary. For generations, it has been the custodian of legal memory. The transition we witness today is not a rejection of that legacy. It is rather an acceptance of a simple reality. Institutions must evolve if they are to remain effective. The demands on the justice delivery system have grown. Litigation has increased in volume and complexity. Expectations of timely justice have become more pronounced. Digitization, therefore, is about equipping courts to function with greater efficiency and responsiveness in a world that no longer moves at the pace of paper. What lends particular significance to the Kalpetta initiative is that it has been conceived, developed, and implemented entirely in-house by the High Court through its district court case management system. This reflects institutional confidence, technical capability, and a deep understanding of the realities of trial courts. It demonstrates that meaningful reform can emerge from within the judiciary itself, guided by experience and anchored firmly in constitutional values. As jurist Roscoe Pound once observed, the law must be stable, but it must not stand still. This insight applies with equal force to the administration of justice. While principles endure, processes must adapt. At its core, the transformation we witness today is about access. The shift to paperless courts has decisively transformed courtroom functioning. The digital case file has replaced the physical file at the heart of judicial proceedings, giving judges and court staff instant, secure access to the entire record. Court halls now function without physical files, allowing hearings to move forward with greater continuity and clarity. This transformation extends beyond the courtroom into court administration. Real-time electronic registers have replaced physical records, improving transparency and oversight while reducing long-standing administrative burdens. The result is clear and tangible. Judicial time is used more effectively. Risks to record are minimized, and citizens experience a justice delivery system that is more dependable and accessible. From a broader perspective, the Kalpetta model offers a compelling example for the rest of the country. It demonstrates that full-scale digitization is not only possible at the district level, but achievable through careful planning and institutional commitment. It also reminds us that this is only the beginning. The paperless courts of Kalpetta stand as a powerful testament to how tradition and innovation can coexist harmoniously and purposefully in the service of justice. I congratulate the judges, officers, court staff, and all those who have contributed to this landmark achievement. I am confident that this initiative will inspire similar transformations across the judiciary of this country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Your Lordship. It is my proud privilege to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, to deliver the inaugural address.
Thank you. Justice Vikram Nath, the Senior Most Judge, Supreme Court of India, and Chairman of the E-Committee of Supreme Court of India, Justice Nitin Jamdar, Honorable the Chief Justice of Kerala, Justice Jayasankar Nambiar, Senior Most Judge in the Kerala High Court, my brother judges, Justice Raja Vijay Raghavan, Justice Anil K. Narendran, and other honorable judges from the Kerala High Court, Mr. P. Rajiv, Minister of Law, Industries, Government of Kerala, Advocate Sri Gopal Krishna Krup, Learned Advocate General, Kerala, the Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, President of the Kerala High Court Bar Association, Mr. Ayub Khan, Learned District Judge, Kalpetta District Judiciary, Sri V.P. Yeldo, President of the Kalpetta Bar Association, Senior Advocates, and other members of the Kerala High Court Bar Association, Learned Judicial Officers, and other officers on the establishment of the High Court of Kerala, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for inviting me on this historical event, the importance of which has been explained by the distinguished speakers, including Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court and my brother Justice Vikram Nath. When we deliberate on the law or the justice system, we often think of it as a monumental edifice, a structure built of stone, tradition, and historically mountains of parchment. But today, as we gather across this digital interface to inaugurate the paperless courts of Wayanad, we acknowledge a profound shift in our constitutional geometry. We realize that a court is not merely a physical destination, it is a pervasive service. In the emerald heart of Wayanad, a land that understands the sanctity of the old and the necessity of the new, we are shedding the tyranny of the file. We are moving away from the palimpsest of paper towards a system of technological neutrality and crystalline transparency. I believe that there is a particular felicitation in launching this initiative in Wayanad, a sanctuary of biodiversity. By digitizing our records, we are practicing what I would like to call green jurisprudence. We are honoring our ecological contract by ensuring that the pursuit of human justice no longer demands the sacrifice of our natural heritage. But this is more than an environmental win. It is an act of substantive equality. In a paper-based system, access often depended on one's proximity to the record room or the thickness of one's brief. Today, we democratize that access with the conceptualization of the in-house district court case management system developed by the High Court of Kerala. And that system completely obviates the need for any form of physical filing, and it provides all stakeholders with real-time access to compute electronic case records of court proceedings. Thus, whether a practitioner is in the heart of Kalpetta or a remote corner of the district, the single source of truth, namely the digital record, is equally available, equally immediate, and equally incorruptible. Let us be very clear. This transition is not merely about replacing a physical folder with a PDF file. Rather, it is about procedural parsimony. It is about stripping away the procedural fog that leads to delays. Through e-filing and digital ledgers, we are introducing a more agile form of adjudication. We are freeing our judicial officers and staff from the drudgery of clerking, allowing them to return to the deliberative solemnity that their office always requires. In this new ecosystem, every entry is a digital footprint that cannot be erased, ensuring level of algorithmic accountability that was previously unimaginable. To the members of the bar who are gracing this occasion, especially our seniors who have spent a lifetime mastering the tactile art of the physical brief, I understand that this change feels like an upheaval of tradition. But I must remind you all that tradition is not the worship of ashes, but the preservation of fire. The fire is our commitment to the rule of law, and the ashes are the inefficient methods of the past. We are not changing the law or the way in which it is practiced. We are simply sharpening the tools we use to serve it. This is a human centric transformation where the machine does not replace the mind, it only liberates the mind. I am confident that the detailed standard operation procedure created for this purpose will assist everyone in making this transition. As I conclude, let us look at the horizon. Today, Wayanad has become more than a district in Kerala. It has become a beacon of modernity for the entire Indian judiciary. We are proving that the most ancient principles of justice can be delivered through the most modern means. We are ensuring that the law is not a static relic, but a living, breathing, and equitable reach for every citizen. It is with a deep sense of responsibility and immense hope for the future that I congratulate the Kerala High Court and the Kalpetta District Courts on this commendable achievement. May this digital frontier lead us to swifter, clearer, and more accessible justice for all. I once again thank you, the Honorable Chief Justice of Kerala High Court, and my brother and sister judges of the High Court, and other dignitaries for inviting me to share my views on this historical event. Congratulations to each one of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I now respectfully invite Honorable the Chief Justice of India to formally inaugurate the paperless courts in the Kalpetta Judicial District by unveiling the digital plaque. Thank you, Your Lordship. We shall now have a video presentation showcasing the implementation of paperless courts in Kalpetta Judicial District.
Building on its legacy as the nation's first paperless judiciary, the High Court of Kerala is extending its digital mission to the Kalpetta Judicial District, Wayanad. From January 2026, the entire judicial district of Wayanad will be going paperless. Every step of the legal journey, from initial filing to the delivery of final orders, will now be conducted through a seamless digital system. At the heart of this initiative is the DCMS, which stands for the District Court Case Management System, an in-house case management system engineered by the Kerala High Court Specialized IT Directorate. DCMS allows litigants, advocates and other stakeholders to file cases from the comfort of their office or home. The case files can be submitted to any court in any district in Kerala and Lakshadweep with the provision for representation. The digitally filed cases are then received at the Chief Ministerial Officer's dashboard at the court side. CMO verifies the e-filed case and can return the files for correction and accept representation. Defect-free files are then listed in the court. The integration of the DCMS with the Kerala State Police's iCorps has made it very easy for the court to verify FIRs and serve as an interactive platform between the law enforcement agencies and the court. The summons can be sent with a click to the law enforcement agencies from the court, and the service details are updated live to the court side on completion. Now, let's look at some of the unique features of DCMS that make it a powerful tool for paperless courts. Virtual courtrooms. Eliminating the uncertainty of remote appearances, in DCMS, parties can monitor live court progress through the case display feature and join the session when the case is called using the platform provided by the court. DCMS Process Service App. The DCMS Process Service app automates the delivery of court processes. It enables the process servers to pinpoint the exact location of process delivery and upload service reports complete with the recipient's photograph and signature. Voice-to-text witness deposition. Witness deposition can now be taken on the go with the powerful voice-to-text feature of the DCMS. This AI-driven tool captures the testimony in real time and is bilingual, supporting both English and Malayalam languages. Digital order sign. The orders are generated by merging the system-generated templates with the orders passed in the court, drastically reducing the time for drafting head notes. The judge-approved orders can be signed digitally or e-signed for swift delivery. Intelligent Judge Dashboard. The DCMS Judge Dashboard packs a complete tool for the judicial officers to conduct their day-to-day business. Judicial officers can now do away with the physical proceedings sheet by using both the voice-to-text and ready typing features integrated into the daily court proceedings. Enriched with features like case file annotation, which provides the feel of paper on digital notebooks with a stylus. The AI summary, which uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology to summarize case files and documents. Easy note-making for judges on various digital files saved for future reference as well, and much more. This cross-platform capability of DCMS, built on Next.js technology, makes it highly scalable with new and upcoming technologies. Mobile application. The DCMS mobile application is a handy companion for advocates and litigants to track cases, access real-time cost lists, and join hybrid hearings directly from their smartphone. As the High Court of Kerala writes a new history with the launch of paperless courts in the Kalpetta Judicial District, a new window of infinite possibilities opens for the judicial domain across the nation on the wings of technology.
Thank you. May I now have the honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Anil K. Narendran, Judge, High Court of Kerala, to deliver the closing remarks.
Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India and Chairperson, E-Committee, Supreme Court. Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice of our High Court, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, a very good evening to all of you. I consider it to be my proud privilege to have this opportunity to express my gratitude to all of you on this auspicious occasion on the implementation of paperless courts in Kalpetta Judicial District. Implementation of paperless courts in Kalpetta Judicial District constitute a landmark achievement in the history of the Indian judiciary, wherein the entire district judiciary has become fully paperless in end-to-end functioning. This initiative represents a decisive step taken a more efficient, transparent, and citizen-centric justice delivery system in the country, which is in tune with the vision document for the futuristic judicial system in India. The entire credit goes to the IT team of our High Court, headed by Brother Justice Musa, and ably assisted by Brother Justice Raja Vijayaraghavan. 2 more projects are also in the pipeline on dealing with a seamless mediation online platform, and the other is for monitoring the activities undertaken by the High Court Legal Services Committee. Those projects will also be en route within a short time. I express my special thanks on behalf of the High Court of Kerala to the Honorable Mr. Justice Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, for having kindly agreed to inaugurate the implementation of paperless courts in Kalpetta Judicial District, Wayanad. To Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge Supreme Court of India, for having kindly agreed to deliver the keynote address. To Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, Chief Justice of our High Court, for having kindly agreed to deliver the presidential address. And to my brother Justice Jayashankar Nambiar, for having kindly agreed to deliver this special address. I express thanks on behalf of the High Court of Kerala to Advocate K. Gopalakrishna Group, Advocate General Kerala, Sri P. Rajiv, Minister for Law, Industries and Coal, Advocate Piyush Kottam, President Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Advocate Rajkumar Kher, Secretary of Bar Council of Kerala, for having kindly agreed to deliver felicitations. I express special thanks on behalf of the High Court of Kerala to the Honorable Mr. Justice Brother Justice Murali Purushothaman, Administrative Judge in charge of Kalpetta District Judicial District, Sri Ayub Khan, the Principal District Judge, Kalpetta Judicial District, Advocate Shaiju Manisheril, President Kalpetta Bar Association, and Sri E.K. Janardhanan, Secretary, Advocate Clerks Association, Mantavadi, for having kindly agreed to be on the dais along with the speakers. I express special thanks to Brother Justice Raja Vijayaraghavan for his opening remarks, to brother and sister judges who have graced this occasion with their valuable presence. I express a special thanks to the members of the legal fraternity, Registrar General and other registrars, Director IT, judicial officers of the district judiciary, and advocate clerks who have graced this occasion with their valuable presence. I once again thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Your Lordship. As we conclude, may I respectfully request the august gathering to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
With this, we conclude the formal proceedings of today's function. Thank you.